Okay, let's get on with it. We've got BMW 535 in, about to have its MOT. Headlights are a complete mess. I'll show you the videos later of the actual headlight and what they look like. So we are going to do a wet sand using my lovely little Proxxon Mini. So we're going to wet sand, probably going to go with an 800 grit, 1000 grit, 2000 grit, and then polish them back. They're really rough. Not sure if they're going to come up, some of them don't. These might have just gone a bit too far. Could be wrong though. We'll see. So I'll show some before and afters. Thanks for watching, keep locked in, let's see what we can do. As a word of advice, this is a great, I won't say it's cost effective, still very expensive, but this is, for me, one of the best Nano machines out there. You get all the extenders. I'll put a link in the description if anyone's interested of where to purchase these from. I think you're looking at around about £200, but a lot cheaper than the Roops hybrid Nano. And to me, I believe that this is a much better machine. The Roops kind of stalls. It does have DA action. You can convert that one to rotary, but this is just a rotary. Fantastic machine. So Proxxon, Nano, grab one, mini polisher. So yeah, let's get on with it.